Hello and welcome to Tonic Studios. My name's Alison. I'm here today with the lovely Leo.
Hello.
And we're going to share with you our treasure trunk and also our twist and lock box. Wonderful die sets, haven't we?
Really interesting gift boxes.
Absolutely. They're both designed by Toby.
Mm-hmm.
So you know there's always a little bit quirkiness, a little bit different.
Bit of a mechanism.
Yes, he does love a mechanism.
He really does. Where do we start?
I don't know. Should we start with this one?
Go on then. So
this is our treasure trunk. How adorable is that? I think you need to show the mechanism first though.
So I'm going to bring this one in. Now you might notice that we don't have many with us today. We had to send these off in a bit of a hurry and we've had to make extras to show you. Let's put it that way. So you can see it's got this lovely shape first of all. I really like this, kind of reminiscent of those Chinese takeaway boxes,
yes.
Something along those lines.
Yes.
It's a nice sized little gift box and then it has this excellent little mechanism on top. So
I'm thinking of a Chinese whatnot box, you know, where there's a mechanism and you don't know what it is. And this would fool you.
So you've got this tiny little slot inside of here on either side. And then this part rotates and kind of holds it in place. So it stops the lid from coming off. And then you twist it and slide it open. And I love that. So it's a good sized little gift box for you. You've got your little lid piece that just slides straight back in. It's very, very clever. Very smooth action as well.
I can see that.
Very nice.
If kinetic projects are your thing, I definitely think this is for you.
Yes, absolutely.
Because it is adorable.
It really is.
And it's a teeny tiny gift set.
I know. Look at
Gift
this little tiny die set. So 25 dies in this one. There are your dies. Obviously you've got your full instructions inside as well. This is what you're getting. So you've got your main pieces, obviously for the gift box and the handle and the mechanism. You've got a couple of options for pattern panels. So you've got this lovely sort of leafy end panel. We've got two sentiments. You've got a gift and then treat inside. You've got that same leafy panel that can go on top on the slidey lid. You've then got this lovely trellis and floral on the side, but you also have a bigger kind of marquee layer. So you can choose to layer both those up together, or you can just do the little one, or you can just do the big one.
Nice.
And then you do also have that same marquee layer for the top of your sliding lid as well, and you've got two more layers to go inside that as well.
Wow.
So lots of options on there. I really, really, really like it.
Beautiful.
Very clever. So we've shown you one of the two samples that we have. So let me show you those a little bit closer. There? Yeah. Okay. So there's your trellis pattern, and this time I have put that larger marquee layer behind it as well. And then you've got that lovely foliage pattern on the end with your sentiment that does say a gift on there. And then I've actually left the top of this one plain with just that slidey panel. But I actually love hopefully you can see the little deboss sunburst that you have on this. So a great one for your mirror card or your pearlescent. So it's really going to pick up the deboss detail on there. Very pretty.
And
the other one,
a gorgeous pattern paper box.
Indeed. So
look at this.
This is the one you'll be seeing in the make video. So we'll show you start to finish how to put this together.
It's adorable, isn't it?
Pattern paper on this one, and even on the top around, glue is still slightly wet on this one. So around that slidey lid, we've got some pattern paper on there as well.
You could even faux stitch or even stitch.
Yeah, with
some
lovely
silks or something around the outside of that.
With that marquee, yeah, you definitely could. That'd be really lovely. So that is our treasure trunk. And then we have the other one.
The other one we have then is our twist and lock box. Again, teeny tiny die set, a little A5 die set, but it makes a substantial box. That's a pretty good sized box, I think.
I think it is. And again, you've got another clever mechanism on this one, so you just twist this and lift.
Toby just can't resist, can he?
Oh, he really can't. He really can't. And he's even designed this part so you can actually move these up or down. So if you've got a slightly bigger gift, then this opening is going to let you put into here. You can move these out of the way to get your gift in and out. So it's all still open to be able to put that in. I think it's very,
I can see a nice
very clever.
scarf coming up to there.
Oh, definitely.
Nice silk scarf.
Do you know what it kind of reminds me of as well? You know the old Maltesers boxes? They used to have the bit that you punched in the middle to get into them.
Yes, they did.
So I think I might just fill mine with Maltesers.
I'm with you on that
and
one.
take it with me to the cinema.
But it's also, it can be quite a masculine box as well. The patterns for it, I don't think they're either feminine or
Let's go
masculine.
that way. There we go.
There are 2 layers for the top. One is a little bit more flowery. But the base, the side panels for the base are very generic, I would say.
Nicely geometric, aren't they?
It just depends on which colours you choose.
Exactly. And I think probably both of these actually would work well for a masculine one. So with
I
the
do as well.
treasure trunk, if you just leave off the pattern, or even the floral, it's not floral, it's foliage. The foliage pattern would be fine on the end. But if you left off the flower panel, that would be fine. Or just use, the patterned edges.
Exactly.
And just do it that way instead. Let's show you these dies very quickly then. So again, we have our full instructions on the inside, like so. And then here is your die set. So again, you've got your main panels for putting this together, and then all of your patterned pieces. So we have this lovely geometric, almost like a trellis, but not quite. It's like, it reminds me of something, and I can't think what it is
I can't
now.
think either.
But you know what I mean?
Yes.
It's a fabric.
It's argyle.
Yes.
Argyle.
Exactly.
That would be lovely paper pieced.
Mm.
Didn't think of that one.
That's unlike
my
you.
Lord. I know. You know me and a bit of paper piecing.
So you've got, now this one is holly, isn't it? You've got a holly version on here, so you do have a Christmas option. And you've got some holly on this one for the top as well. You've got another kind of leafy pattern for your top, or that lovely just geometric triangles. This one then is just a nice big flower to go on the side panel.
And then your top panels then, one is your holly, which I think is so pretty. Then you have your geometric, and you've got a flower one.
Or you've got just a plain stitched edge as well.
Or you've got plain layers.
Which I think is really awesome. Lots and lots of options for different things. And you've even got a stitched edge for your rectangle.
Yeah.
It's not, is it? It's a trapezoid. Something.
Diamond.
One of them. It's one of them, their shapes.
Yeah, we love a
that
diamond.
can go on the side. So again, you can layer them up if you want to, or you've got obviously the little one here, you've got a stitch one, and then you've got the 2 patterned ones as well. So mixy-matchy to your heart's content. I think you could do multiples of these and no 2 would look the same.
No,
you've got so many different options for them.
I think it's a beautiful design. Thank you very much, Toby.
Yeah, definitely.
This is available on our website from now. Don't forget, if you're going to buy this and make some, we want to see those pictures as evidence.
Definitely.
Tag us in your makes. Pop a photo in the group, the official Tonic Facebook group, or you can tag us with #ShowTonic in any other Facebook page that you're setting up or group. You can pay for these using PayPal, ShopPay, and what's the other one?
ClearPay.
ClearPay, that's it. I get these wrong every single time. We've got it written on the wall and it's too far away for me to read.
We need it a little bit closer.
We do. My glasses don't reach that far.
Don't forget, of course, because they are available directly from our website.
They are.
If you're a Tonic Craft Kit subscriber, that means you can take 10% off with your TCK code as well, which I think is just the most amazing deal.
Me too.
Brand new launches just have 10% off.
But if you support us, we want to give you that little bit back.
Absolutely.
And that's what our 10% for you is. Gives you 10% to buy something else.
chuck something else in your basket.
Exactly.
And then use, pay in installments to split the payment for a couple of weeks or a couple of months.
Do.
Definitely. If you have enjoyed this video, please do give us a cheeky little thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed to our channel and hit that notification bell.
Ding!
So you'll be notified every time we post a new video and when we go live. Thank you so much for joining us, and we'll see you all again very soon. Happy crafting.
Bye.